It's October 31st today. That means tomorrow's November 1st. We're almost at the end of the year, 2 months left. The question is, and it's coming up a lot with either people that have an LLC, single member LLC, or just a sole proprietor, a business, and they're making over $100,000 and they paid a boatload of taxes, mostly in Social Security tax or self-employment tax. The question is, what can you do now before the year end to be able to mitigate and plan and strategize? And the answer typically, in most cases, is an S corporation will be better, because an S corporation, you don't pay any Social Security tax in an S corporation income. It comes to a K1 and flows to your personal return. It's a separate entity, but it's almost the same thing as if you had a single member LLC or sole proprietor. It's just a different tax vehicle. The only thing is, the biggest rule that everyone should know is you still have to run payroll from this S corporation, because IRS wants to see some reasonable salary so you can pay into the system some self-employment income. In this case, a W-2, it's called Social Security tax, FICA tax. And as long as you do a reasonable salary, you can mitigate paying Social Security tax on the entire amount if it was not an S corporation. So if you have $100,000, maybe a $30,000 to $40,000 reasonable salary on a W-2 will be sufficient, and you only pay that 15.3% Social Security tax on the $40,000, and the $60,000 will just be taxed at whatever your income tax rate is. And no, it is not too late to do an election now. As if it was January 1 when you made the election, you make a late election on that Form 2553, and your reasonable cause is that you just didn't have good advice, and you will almost always be approved by the IRS. If you need help with this, don't forget to reach out to me. Have a great day.